you're enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Okay, we're gonna eat at this place and then head out of town. Head back to home. This is Mama's Farmhouse Country Breakfast or something like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to the menu. This is the menu, this is the whole meal. Eat whatever you want.
Apple crunch.
Kind of, they continue to bring you stuff until you're done.
I'm looking forward to the, I want bacon and eggs.
$16.99, that's not bad.
No, that's what I'm like, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I mean, if you'd gone to Denny's or something, it would have cost that, so.
Yeah, any other restaurant, even if you just want a little bit of eggs and bacon and some sides. All right, got my morning coffee. They do bring you, I guess those are like cinnamon rolls.
They're called pinwheels.
What is that, like apple butter?
Don't know. Yeah.
Don't know, but it's a country breakfast, so.
You want to try it? I'm like. I'm letting her make sure it doesn't have pineapple. No, it's apple. It's like applesauce.
Okay. What happened?
Well, because the fruit has pineapple in it. Fruit, yeah, I said it.
Oh. Well, Jeanette's allergic to pineapple, so why don't we give them back the fruit so nothing touches
you guys
it?
can have it.
Oh, I don't need it. All right, guys. So let me take a little bite of each thing and let you know what it is. Those are really good. The eggs came out great. This is like apple. That's more dessert type. I don't like it, but you'll love it. Drop sausage. That tastes local. Like I made it up. Applewood bacon. She might not like that too. Okay, I give this place an A+ right from the start. The price was great. Everything we ate felt like it was all home cooking. And service was amazing. People were so nice. They got high marks in everything. And they're owned by Bennett's Barbecue. Remember me researching that a couple years back? They have like 8 different brands that Mama's Kitchen is under. So anyway, that's gonna do it. Congratulations, A+. Try it out when you're in here.